Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually play the 90 FPS gameplay test Battlegrounds mobile game in the iQOO 7 device. Yes, friends, this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate exactly how you can actually play the 90 FPS in the iQOO 7 device without any kind of problem, which works perfectly fine. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video for all the viewers. So the first thing is that the iQOO 7 device didn't come with the official 90 FPS update. So we need to use either config tool or maybe the GFX tool. So if you use the config and GFX tool, there are chances that your account may get banned. So that's the one thing you should definitely understand. So right now I'm trying to use one of the application which is available in the Play Store, which is a GFX tool application. So this application exactly I'm trying to use, but I'm not using the latest version. So if I try to use the latest version, which is on 10.1.4, sometimes it's not working 90 fps. I cannot feel that kind of smoothness, but if I try to use the old version, which is 10.1.0, I was able to feel 90 fps kind of working in the iQOO 7 device. The only disadvantage in this device is that there is no real-time FPS meter which is available in this device. That's the main disadvantage at this moment in this iQOO and FunTouch UI. They should definitely add the real-time FPS meter, which will be really helpful for a lot of other users who are actually want to see what is FPS count. Because if you want to use a third-party FPS count meter, they are really very cost and expensive. That's the reason I was unable to use those kind of previous FPS meter which are displayed before. Before they used to be free, but right now they are actually paid versions. That's the reason I was unable to use them. So in this way, friends, you will be able to exactly get the 90 FPS. Even after using this GFX tool, if you don't get 90 FPS, this application which is called the Set Edit application in the Play Store, which you can actually download. So this will actually force use the high refresh rate whatever is capable. So try to use the application and try to change the value in the peak refresh rate. Don't try to change anything. Only you need to change the peak refresh rate value from 120 to the 1 value. Then you will be actually feeling a little bit kind of more smoother as well in terms of the gameplay and experience. In case if the GFX tool is not working for you, so you can actually do in this method as well. So I did get a couple of config file as well, but those config files sometimes if I try to use, my accounts are getting banned immediately, I think within 1 or 2 matches. So I was unable to record the videos, but using this GFX tool till now my account did not get banned at this moment. So that's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all in case if you are looking after to install any kind of config file. Right now I'm trying to use the Realme gaming triggers on the top if you notice, and let's see, and wantedly I did keep the triggers on one direction, not on this camera direction, because on this direction they were able to stick it properly. On the camera side, because of this bump, some kind of inconsistency is there with the position. That's the reason I thought of using on the downside. So in the another matter, so this feels really good. With the haptic feedback, which feels fantastic with the haptic feedback without any kind of problem. So that's another strongest haptic feedback fan so far. So you can see the gameplay experience is really smooth while gaming this Team Deathmatch, definitely. As you can see from the gameplay, which looks really smooth, no problem. I wish the iQOO should definitely add the real-time FPS meter, friends. Definitely, that's my biggest complaint from the beginning of using this device. I'm not sure when they will be able to add this real-time FPS meter, floating FPS meter. But using this kind of triggers will definitely help the gameplay experience. I can definitely say that using the gaming triggers. And that's it, friends. In this way, you will be able to play the 90 FPS in the iQOO 7 device using the GFX tool. So this is how it is possible. In few phones, it's not kind of supporting. In few phones, it's kind of supporting, friends. Same application GFX tool. You can download from the Play Store as well. And in case if you are having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to help you out. And definitely I'll try to do the battery draining test videos as well on this iQOO 7 device in case. But temperature will also increase slightly. So make sure to check the temperatures. I think playing only for 4 to 5 minutes, the temperature slightly started to increase little by little. Yes, it started to increase with the 90 FPS gameplay, friends. So you should keep those things in mind when you're trying to play at 90 FPS as well. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates, and definitely I can feel the phone is getting heat. So make sure to keep that in mind. And in this way, you'll be able to play exactly at 90 FPS using the GFX tool in the IQ Sound device without any kind of problem. Let's go to the settings and show you what is happening. In the settings, you cannot see any kind of 90 FPS. That's a problem with the GFX.